So let's get right into it. The big question isn't if AI is going to change everything, it's how you can actually make money from it, even if you don't know the first thing about code. Stick with me, because we're about to break down exactly how you can get on the winning side of this whole revolution.
You know, this quote really nails it. The world of work that we all know, it's shifting under our feet. All that repetitive copy and paste kind of work is, well, it's going away, and it is happening way faster than anyone thought. This isn't some sci-fi movie, this is happening right now.
And look, this isn't just a hunch. A recent Gartner report is predicting that by 2028, literally 50% of all engineers will need to seriously upgrade their skills just to hang on to their jobs. Now, if it's hitting the coders that hard, you can bet it's rolling through every single industry out there.
But here's the thing about a big shakeup like this. Wherever there's chaos, there is always opportunity. This isn't the end of the world. It's more like a great big reset button. And for a new breed of people, we can call them AI natives, the ones who just get how to use these tools. The opportunities are just massive.
Okay, so let's jump in. Here's the game plan for today. First, we'll talk about this great job reset. Then we're going to break down 3 really powerful business ideas you could literally start today. And we'll wrap up with the one skill that's going to be your superpower in this new world.
So, what even is this great job reset? Well, it basically means that while a lot of the jobs we know are in trouble, a ton of brand new ones are popping up. See, the world doesn't just need people who can build AI anymore. It is desperate for people who know how to use it to solve actual problems. That, right there, is your way in.
All right, first big idea on the list, the automation agency. This is your shot to become an absolute hero for the millions of small businesses that are just, drowning in boring manual tasks every single day.
Now the key here, and this is important, is that you are not coding anything from scratch. Think of yourself as the architect. You're using these incredible no-code tools like Make.com or Zapier to connect the dots and build little automated machines that handle things like email follow-ups or data entry for other companies.
And who are your clients? Oh man, they are everywhere. Seriously. Think about that local real estate agent, your favorite online shop, or that YouTuber who's trying to manage their whole community. Any business that is still manually updating spreadsheets or sending emails one by one, they need you. And they need you badly.
And here's the best part. This slide gives you the exact blueprint to get your first paying client. You don't need some huge fancy portfolio. Just get really good at one tool, find one person, and solve one problem for them for free. And then you just turn that success story into proof that you know what you're doing. It's that simple.
Okay, let's move on to idea number 2, the personal AI builder. This one's for all the creative people out there, the ones who love the idea of building totally custom, one-of-a-kind tools for other people.
I love this idea of being a vibe coder. It perfectly captures this new reality we're in. You don't need a computer science degree anymore to build useful software. You're basically building a custom tool based on a client's specific vibe or their unique need, using simple prompts and tools.
Just think about how huge the market for this is. How many people do you know who said, I wish there was an app for, but they have no clue how to build it? Well, you can be their builder. You can be the person who actually brings their ideas to life. And here's what's so wild about this. The value you can create is just enormous. With AI, you can build a custom little app that's worth, say, $1,000 to a client, and you can do it in a single afternoon. That's the kind of leverage we're talking about here. It's a total game changer. All right, our third idea is where we really start to think bigger. This is about moving beyond just doing one-off projects and actually building an AI-powered team, an entire digital workforce that works 24/7 for other companies.
This business model is, no joke, an absolute game changer. Think about something like customer support or sales outreach. In the old days, that meant hiring huge teams of people. Now, you can provide that exact same service, maybe even better, using a team of AI agents, which is 1 or 2 people on your side to handle the tricky stuff.
So you see, you're not just selling a piece of software, you're selling a result. You're selling 200 customer support tickets resolved a day, or 50 qualified sales leads every single month, and it's all powered by this super efficient hybrid team of AI and humans. It's a service that pretty much runs itself. The strategy here is just brilliant because it's all about the 80-20 rule. You don't have to build some super genius AI that can solve every problem under the sun.
Nope. You just build one that can handle the 80% of questions that come up over and over again. That's where you save a business the most time and money, and that's where you provide insane value.
So let's just put these three paths side by side real quick. The automation agency, that's perfect for people who love thinking about processes. The personal AI builder, that's for the creatives. And the AI workforce, well, that's for the system builders who want to go big. The main point is there's a path here for you no matter what you're into, and the earning potential is real.
So, okay, we've looked at three pretty different ideas. But what's the one thing they all have in common? Well, they're all run by a totally new type of professional, a new kind of expert that the world is absolutely screaming for right now.
This is it. This is the big secret. The old way of being a hyper-specialist in just one tiny thing, that's fading. The future belongs to the AI generalist. This is someone who isn't just a marketing person or a sales person. No, they're a problem-solving person who uses AI as their ultimate do-everything tool.
And really, this is what it all boils down to. Your value in the world is no longer just about what you know in your head, it's about what you can do with the tools you have. What problems can you go out and solve with the incredible power that AI gives you? That's the question that's going to define your future.
So look, the time to just sit back and watch all this happen is over. It has never been cheaper or easier to get started, and honestly, the cost of waiting around has never been higher. Just pick one of these ideas, seriously, just one, and take that first tiny step today. Build something small, solve one little problem, and start earning.
So I'll just leave you with this one question. Forget all the fancy tech for a second. What problem, big or small, out there in the world are you going to solve first? Let me know what you're thinking in the comments. Thanks for hanging out, and be sure to subscribe for more guides to help you win in this crazy new world.